Hi, I'm Angel Blair, CAA's Worst Roads roving reporter. We're here on highway number 47 near Springside. Now, highway number 47 was ranked number 2 in our Worst Roads campaign last year. That's something that is not surprising to local residents.
Nope, not surprised at all. We've had lots of vehicles, but we've had 3 of them going on that road where the front ends have just been pounded out. It's $1,700 a touch.
Oh, the holes, they just patch them, and I don't know what they patch them with, but it just falls out, and next thing you know, when you hit it with your tire, it's just like, oh no, did I damage my tire?
Big potholes in there. There's just no shoulders. It's a narrow highway, a busy highway.
It's a highway with a long and patchy history of repairs, and it's not the first time it's made the CAA Worst Roads list. In 2018, it placed second. It's a big enough safety concern that local residents tend to avoid the road altogether.
Yeah, I try not to take that if I don't have to, but
I go down the gravel roads because it's too rough of a highway. I won't pull my camper down it. Put it that way, I guess. It's just dangerous.
It is also a road that is heavily used by tourists heading to Good Spirit Lake.
If you get behind a camper, you're driving the road, you don't dare pass it. You're staying behind it till you get to the lake.
it is a good road. It's a great road to go to the lake, but when you're seeing campers in front of you and they're swerving all over the road because of the bumps and the waves and everything.
Provincial park, it should have nice highways leading into it.
Now, Highway 47 connects with Highway number 5 that runs through the community of Buchanan. Buchanan's Highway number 5 was also on our Worst Roads list last year, coming in at number 5. Now, we want to hear from you. What's a worst unsafe road that you've driven on lately? You can nominate and vote at caask.ca/worstroads.